अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं इजी, वेरी वेरी इजी टोमेटो रसम, अ सॉर्ट ऑफ कंफर्ट फूड। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। पहले कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट्स ग्राइंड कर लेते हैं। टू अ मिक्सी जार add 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon whole zeera, a pinch of hing, 1/4 teaspoon haldi, 1 dry red chilli, and tender shoots of coriander leaves. Add a little water and grind coarsely. This is the consistency of the coarsely ground masala I'm looking for. Keep it aside and let's start making rasam. Soak a small bowl of tamarind in hot water. Squeeze out the tamarind juice well and keep it aside. To a heavy bottomed pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds splutter, add a few curry leaves, 2 dry red chillies, and a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Saute for a few seconds and then add the coarsely ground masala. Saute again for a few minutes and then add ground or crushed tomatoes. 2 tomatoes. We'll be using 2 tomatoes. Saute for a minute or two till the tomatoes become soft. Now the tomatoes are nice and soft. Add 1 cup of tamarind juice. Together with that, add another cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, and leave it to boil. Cover and let it boil on low to medium flame for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, rasam is ready. Garnish with a few coriander leaves and serve hot or at room temperature. Cover and let it rest till it's time to serve. This is a gravy of very thin consistency, usually served with sambar as well. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.